Welcome back to Car Quest Pro, and today, what I'm about to share is not just a motorcycle review. This is a story of a cruiser that once ruled the streets quietly, effortlessly, without needing to prove itself, the Suzuki Intruder. A name that carried presence in every curve, every chrome accent, and every deep rumble of its engine. And now, in 2026, Suzuki is bringing it back. But this isn't a simple return. It's a statement. A careful balance of heritage and modern refinement. Suzuki has kept its soul intact but polished every detail to make it more confident, more powerful, and more inviting than ever before. Before we dive into specs and numbers, let's talk about design, because the first impression matters. The 2026 Intruder has a long, low, and muscular silhouette. Unlike many modern cruisers that exaggerate features to grab attention, this bike draws you in subtly, quietly, commanding attention without shouting. Its stretched fuel tank flows into a low, wide seat, creating a classic cruiser profile that feels timeless. Chrome accents are controlled, premium, and tasteful. Every curve, every line, tells a story of elegance, of strength, of presence. The front end is remarkable. A retro-inspired LED headlamp hides modern tech inside. It's bright, clear, and perfectly balanced. It doesn't just light the road, it gives the bike a personality. And the mirrors, handlebars, and foot pegs are designed for ergonomic perfection, inviting you to sit, relax, and become part of the machine rather than just riding it. Now let's talk about the engine, the heart of this story. The 2026 Intruder is expected to feature a V-twin engine, likely around 800 to 900 cubic centimeters. But this isn't about raw horsepower, this is about torque, flow, and confidence. With roughly 55 to 60 horsepower, the engine delivers smooth, consistent power. The real magic lies in the torque curve. Low-end and mid-range torque dominate, giving you effortless pull from stoplights and relaxed cruising on highways. Every twist of the throttle connects you to the road. It's not about screaming to top speed, it's about enjoying the journey, feeling every gear change, and listening to that deep, mature exhaust note that says, "I'm here, and I don't need to prove anything." The 6-speed gearbox is smooth, precise, and effortless. Every shift feels connected. Every mile becomes a flowing rhythm, almost meditative. This is what separates a cruiser from a commuter bike. Every moment on the Intruder is designed to be experienced. Suspension has been carefully tuned. Front telescopic forks absorb bumps gracefully, while the rear monoshock keeps stability intact. Whether riding solo or two up, the Intruder feels planted and predictable. Even in long highway stretches, the bike stays composed, confident, and calm. Fuel efficiency? Around 20 to 23 km/h, which is impressive for a cruiser with this torque. Combined with a large fuel tank, this bike is perfect for long journeys, where stopping frequently is not part of the plan. Long rides don't just feel easy, they feel natural. Now, let's explore modern features. Ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, dual-channel ABS, traction control, and a digital analog instrument cluster. Bluetooth connectivity in higher trims allows for navigation alerts, calls, and music control, all integrated without compromising the classic cruiser aesthetic. Suzuki has mastered the balance between old-school charm and modern functionality. But the story doesn't stop there. The 2026 Intruder is versatile. It's city-friendly, yet comfortable for long rides. It handles highways with stability, corners with surprising agility for a cruiser, and two-up riding feels balanced and effortless. And here's the subtle beauty. The Intruder isn't trying to appeal to every rider. It's aimed at those who appreciate comfort, style, and refinement. Those who value the journey, the presence, and the feeling of connection to the road. This is a bike that rewards patience and understanding. A bike that grows on you, mile after mile. The aesthetic details are impressive. Chrome is understated yet premium. Paint is rich, lines are clean. Mirrors, levers, seat stitching, every small touch speaks to Suzuki's attention to detail. Even the exhaust note has character. It's not loud, it's confident, deep, and mature. Every time you twist the throttle, it announces presence without arrogance. Price is competitive. Expected around $8,000 to $9,000 in the US, the Intruder competes with bikes like the Honda Rebel and Yamaha Bolt. But it doesn't just compete, it stands out. It's not about being the cheapest. It's about value, heritage, comfort, style, and reliability all wrapped in one machine. Now let's imagine a full ride, something cinematic. Picture yourself on an open road, sunset reflecting off the tank. Wind brushing past, engine humming smoothly, tires gripping perfectly. The street's quiet, yet every sound you hear is alive. The rumble of the engine, the whisper of tires on asphalt, the faint hum of wind past the mirrors. Every mile becomes a story. Every corner an experience. And then there's the history of the Intruder. This isn't just a modern cruiser. It carries decades of heritage, of riders who valued presence over noise, comfort over flash, and long rides over short thrills. Suzuki hasn't forgotten that. Every line, every sound, every handling nuance reflects respect for that history. Customization is another layer of this story. Like every great cruiser, the Intruder is ready to be personalized. Seats, handlebars, exhaust, paintwork, all can be modified to reflect your own riding identity. It's not just a bike. It's a canvas. Real-world performance. City commutes feel smooth, with light handling around tight corners. Highway cruising is effortless. Even with a passenger, the bike stays balanced. The combination of torque, suspension, and frame geometry makes it feel like it adapts to you, not the other way around. And here's something most people miss. Riding a cruiser isn't just about power or features. It's about feeling in control, connected, and alive. The 2026 Intruder is one of the few bikes in this segment that gives you that sensation consistently, whether at low speed in city traffic or cruising at 120 km/h on the highway. Maintenance and reliability are also part of the story. Suzuki has a reputation for low maintenance, durable motorcycles. Routine service intervals, simple engineering, and accessible parts mean you spend more time riding and less time worrying about repairs. And for enthusiasts, the Intruder brings opportunities for aftermarket support. Exhaust upgrades, seat adjustments, handlebar swaps, all options exist to make the bike truly yours. It's a ride that grows with the rider. Now, let's talk subtle suspense. Near the end of the Intruder experience, there's one detail that most people completely overlook: the way it blends nostalgia and modern performance seamlessly. Few cruisers manage to make you feel like you're riding a classic bike while still enjoying today's tech. That's what the Intruder does. It's a rare combination, a bike that respects the past but doesn't get trapped in it. To sum it up, the 2026 Suzuki Intruder is more than a motorcycle. It's a statement, a companion, a storyteller on wheels. It's for those who ride not just for speed but for experience, comfort, and connection. Riders who value heritage, style, and refinement over flash. Riders who understand that some machines aren't just built, they're felt. This is CarQuest Pro, bringing motorcycles to life not just for your eyes, but for your senses. And the Intruder? It's ready to be felt. Ready to be experienced. Ready to claim its place once again on the streets it once ruled so quietly, so confidently.